What if you woke up one morning, opened your phone, and everything you had worked for was gone? No warning, no apology, just a cold notification telling you that your channel had been demonetized. Months of sleepless nights, hours of editing, videos you poured your heart and soul into, stripped of their ability to earn you even a single cent. That is exactly what thousands of creators are facing right now. And if you are watching this video, there is a good chance it has already happened to you, or you are terrified that it is coming. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to have a clear plan to not just survive this, but come out stronger on the other side. Let me be real with you for a second. Creating content is not easy. People on the outside think you just press record and the money rolls in. But you and I both know the truth. You cancel plans to finish an edit. You film the same scene 7 times because something just does not feel right. You stay up until 2 in the morning researching, writing, and wondering if anyone will even care. And then YouTube comes along and pulls the rug from under your feet. It feels personal. It feels like rejection. Like the platform you trusted, the platform you built your dreams on, just looked you in the eye and said, "You are not good enough." But here is what I need you to hear. It is not a rejection of you as a person. It is a shift, a massive, painful shift that is affecting creators all over the world. And understanding it is the first step to winning. So let's talk about what is really going on. In July 2025, YouTube rolled out one of the biggest monetization policy updates in the platform's history. They started aggressively targeting what they called inauthentic content. What does that mean? It means content that looks mass-produced, content that feels like it was thrown together with no real human thought or creativity, AI-generated slideshows, recycled clips with no original commentary, videos that are copy-pasted from other platforms with a slightly different thumbnail. YouTube's algorithm is now smarter than ever. It can detect patterns. It can tell when a channel is pumping out videos like a factory rather than creating with genuine intention. And here's the harsh truth. A lot of creators got caught in this net, some intentionally because they were cutting corners, but many of them were just doing what they thought was working. They were following trends, using tools that everyone else was using. And suddenly overnight, their income was gone. This demonetization wave did not just hit small channels either. Big creators, established channels. Everyone felt the tremors. But here is what separates the creators who will rebuild from those who will quit. It is not talent. It is not luck. It is adaptability. So let us get into exactly what you need to do. Not vague advice. Real, actionable steps. Number 1, audit your content immediately. Go into YouTube Studio right now and look for the yellow $sign or the red $sign next to your videos. Yellow means limited monetization. Red means no monetization at all. Those are your problem videos. Do not ignore them. Either fix them or remove them, because a channel full of flagged content affects your entire standing on the platform. Number 2, add your human voice to everything. This is the single biggest thing YouTube is rewarding right now. They want to see a human being behind the content. That means your perspective, your opinions, your real-life experiences. Even if you use AI tools to help with research or editing, and there is nothing wrong with that, you must layer your own insight on top of it. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Number 3, stop copying and start creating. If your content strategy has been to find what is trending, replicate it, and upload, that era is over. YouTube's new policy specifically targets content that adds no original value. You need to ask yourself with every video, what does only I bring to this topic? What is my unique angle? That question alone will transform the quality of your content. Number 4, diversify your income right now. This is not optional anymore. If your only income from your channel is AdSense, you are one policy update away from financial crisis. Start building other streams today. Channel memberships, merchandise, brand sponsorships, digital products, an email list. Think of your channel as a business with multiple doors, not just one window. Number 5, file your appeal. If your channel was demonetized and you believe it was a mistake, or you have since made changes, you have the right to appeal. Go to YouTube Studio, find the monetization section, and submit your channel for review. The process takes time, but creators who fix their content and appeal are winning back their monetization every single day. Do not sit in silence. Speak up. Number 6, rebuild with consistency and patience. YouTube's algorithm rewards channels that show up consistently. After a demonetization, there's a temptation to panic, upload a flood of videos, or disappear completely. Do neither. Create a realistic upload schedule you can actually maintain and stick to it. Every video you publish from this point forward is a brick in your new foundation. Now I want to speak to something deeper than strategy. I want to talk about your mind, because demonetization does something to a creator that goes beyond money. It attacks your confidence. It makes you question whether any of this is worth it, whether you should just give up, get a regular job, and stop dreaming. And I need you to resist that voice with everything you have. Every successful creator you admire has a story of a moment when the platform, the numbers, or the circumstances told them to quit. The difference between those who made it and those who did not is simply this: they kept going when it stopped being easy. This demonetization wave is a filter. It is painful, yes, but it is filtering out the people who are only in it for the money from the people who are in it for the purpose. Which one are you? If you're still watching this, I already know the answer. Before you go, I have one thing to ask of you. If this video gave you even one thing to hold on to, one strategy, one perspective, one reason to keep going, please hit that like button. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to this channel and to every creator who finds this video when they need it most. Subscribe if you're not already part of this community, because we're going to keep showing up with content that actually helps you navigate the real challenges of being a creator in this era. And share this video right now. Send it to a fellow creator who is going through this. Be the person who shows up for someone else the way this content is showing up for you. This is not the end of your story. This is a chapter where things get hard, and you decide who you really are. Keep creating. Keep growing. The platform changes, but your purpose does not. I will see you in the next one.